Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word workshop. Let's practice with me. Workshop. The workshop starts. I attend the workshop. The workshop is helpful. We joined the workshop today. The workshop improves skills. She leads the workshop session. Our team attends the workshop. The workshop helps our project. I prepare for the workshop. The workshop lasts 2 hours. We discuss ideas in the workshop. The workshop improves communication skills. I learn new skills at the workshop. The workshop is held online today. Our manager organizes the workshop. The workshop focuses on teamwork. We practice presentations in the workshop. The workshop improves our confidence. I ask questions during the workshop. The workshop ends at 5 o'clock. We share feedback after the workshop. The workshop helps me at work. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again in tomorrow's video.